Vintage decor has a way of making every home feel warm, welcoming, and full of character. Unlike passing trends, timeless pieces tell stories that last for generations. Today, let's explore how vintage style can transform every room into a space filled with elegance and charm. True vintage decorating is all about blending history with comfort. Antique furniture, weathered wood, and soft fabrics create a cozy atmosphere that feels authentic. Instead of chasing trends, focus on pieces with craftsmanship and personality that never lose their appeal. Your living room sets the tone for the entire home. Pair a tufted sofa with an antique coffee table, layered rugs, and warm lighting. Finish the look with vintage books, floral accents, and timeless artwork to create a relaxing space everyone will love. Turn your bedroom into a peaceful sanctuary with an iron bed frame, embroidered linens, and distressed wooden furniture. Soft neutral colors mixed with lace curtains and classic bedside lamps create an atmosphere that's calm, elegant, and inviting every night. A vintage dining room celebrates gathering together. Choose a solid wood dining table, mismatched antique chairs, and a beautiful chandelier overhead. Add vintage china and fresh flowers to make every meal feel like a special family occasion. Vintage kitchens combine function with nostalgia. Open shelving, ceramic dishes, brass hardware, and farmhouse touches create a welcoming environment. Small decorative details, like enamel containers and old recipe books, make the space feel personal and timeless. Even the smallest room deserves timeless beauty. Install vintage-inspired mirrors, brass fixtures, and white subway tiles. Woven baskets, glass jars, and soft cotton towels complete a bathroom that feels luxurious while maintaining its classic vintage appeal. Hallways are often overlooked, but they offer the perfect place to display vintage charm. Hang antique mirrors, frame botanical prints, and wall sconces to create visual interest. A narrow console table with fresh flowers welcomes guests beautifully. Soft creams, warm whites, muted greens, dusty blues, and gentle blush tones create a timeless backdrop. These calming colors highlight vintage furniture while allowing decorative accessories to shine. Together, they create harmony throughout every room. A timeless home doesn't have to look like a museum. Blend vintage furniture with modern conveniences for balance and comfort. Pair antique cabinets with contemporary lighting or classic chairs with modern textiles to create a fresh yet enduring style. The smallest details make the biggest difference. Vintage clocks, framed family photographs, crystal vases, woven baskets, and aged books add personality. Carefully selected accessories create a home that feels collected over time instead of decorated all at once. Sunlight brings vintage interiors to life by highlighting with textures, soft fabrics, and antique finishes. Use sheer curtains to maximize daylight while creating a gentle glow. Natural light makes every room feel larger, brighter, and effortlessly welcoming. Refresh your vintage home with subtle seasonal accents instead of major changes. Fresh flowers in spring, woven textures in summer, warm blankets in autumn, and evergreen branches in winter keep your decor current while preserving its timeless character. Timeless vintage decor is more than beautiful furniture. It's about creating a home filled with warmth, memories, and lasting elegance. By thoughtfully decorating every room with classic pieces and meaningful details, you'll enjoy a space that remains inviting and stylish for years to come.